Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, as advertised, after a couple of days of temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80, today we've been in the 60s early, 50s for the mid part of the day, now dropping into the low to mid 40s. So let's take a look at the big picture of what we have going on across the lower 48 and winter coming back. It was kind of out of pocket for much of the winter, but February making up for it with lots of cold air, sub-zero readings in the northern plains, snow and ice as far south as deep into the heart of Texas, where they're expecting anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of rainfall over here across the Texas Hill Country, from right near Austin back to just north of San Antonio and over toward the San Angelo area, and then up through Waco and eastern Texas. And then Louisiana locally, you see some of that wintry precip and some pretty hefty showers and some thunderstorms on the radar. In fact, as we look at the big picture, still solid rains across northern portions of Acadiana that, by the way, some areas picked up 3 to 4 or 5 inches of rain last night. Most of us 1 to 2 as expected, and we were going for up to 3, but a couple of other spots catching even more. And right now we have some pretty hefty storms anywhere from the Ville Platte area with locally heavy downpours in the Eunice area, seeing some lightning just north and east of the Jennings area, some heavy downpours moving through Acadia Parish, and then farther to the south into Vermilion Parish, some strong thunderstorms here, maybe even some small hail showing up just west of the Abbeville area, and then right along Highway 14 between Abbeville and, say, over toward the Gaydon area. So keep that in mind. And then additional showers. And those rains, we should be hearing the pitter-patter on the roof here at KATC more than likely before the newscast ends. So on and off showers and storms, a solid bet this evening. And then we get a little bit of a break. Then more activity developing toward tomorrow morning. We're going to keep showers in the forecast at least early tomorrow, and then maybe misty sprinkles. Look at this. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures mid-40s. Feels like wind chill temperatures going to be in the 30s throughout the day, so just an uncomfortable day. And then more of the same as we head into Saturday. It looks like more shower activity. I've raised the rain chance a little bit Saturday to 30%. Not sure about this, but notice the winter precipitation that tries to break out in the northern part of the state. Saturday afternoon should be dry. Temperatures in the 40s, wind chills mostly 30s, lower 40s. Then it gets interesting going into Sunday morning. Late Saturday night, Sunday morning, the model going for a wintry mix, and this is mainly sleet. It looks like it's going to be, to me, temperatures in that very marginal zone. I don't think we see anything sticking with this, but we'll have to keep an eye on the trends. Now, looking at the European model as we move forward, showing a little bit of that wintry precip, but mainly up toward the northern part of the state for the weekend. Then moving into Monday, the Euro finally now showing winter precipitation as far south as the I-10 corridor, possibly finishing off with a few snowflakes. And then we go over to the GFS model, which has been holding its guns. Latest run brings that wintry precip through the area, just a little bit of it Sunday. I don't think anything that sticks, but then going into Monday, a more significant ice storm with the threat of freezing rain and sleet for all of Acadiana, maybe the exception of Iberia and the lower St. Martin and St. Mary parishes. We'll see how that plays out, but even our friends down here get involved as temperatures drop through the 30s Monday. As soon as we get below freezing, that's when we do expect ice to accrete, and that could mean slippery roads, hazardous travel. And then look at the temperatures going into Monday night, Tuesday morning. Well, the GFS has been out there, 16 with a feels like temperature of 4. We're not sure if we're going to buy into that, but bottom line, a cold Mardi Gras, and then maybe another weather system later next week, Wednesday into Thursday, that could start off as rain, but finish out as a wintry mix. So we'll see how that plays out. As for accumulations, this is the GFS ice accumulation through the weekend. Nothing significant for most of Acadiana, maybe a little bit more so to the north, and then the additional ice that we could see on Monday. And this is going to change several times, but just showing you that the models are picking up on this icy weather, and so does the European model with the weekend stuff. And then as we head into Monday, so there could be slippery conditions developing for sure as we head into Monday. Evening showers and storms, a solid bet, getting colder, 39 the low tonight. Breezy north winds making it feel colder. Tomorrow, cold, wind chilly day. Temperatures top out low to mid 40s. Showers in the morning, fewer showers in the afternoon. Rain chance at 60%. We'll keep slight precipitation chances in the forecast for this weekend. Sunday's high only in the 30s. The same goes for Monday, with our best chance of icy conditions developing. Freezing rain and sleet. Not going to see much snowflakes there. And then maybe the chance of wintry precip thereafter. But look at that morning low come. Mardi Gras morning, 18 degrees with single-digit wind chills. A couple of hard freezes. In fact, more freezes in this forecast than we've seen all winter long.